In this video we're taking a look at the LEDLENSER WORK Headlamp. Welcome to JB TV. Roll the intro. Hey, what's up guys, it's your man JB and we're going to be taking a look at this WORK Headlamp by LEDLENSER. So let's jump straight in. So fresh out the box, I have literally opened the lid of this, but I haven't taken anything out yet. So we open this up and straight away you get the actual lamp part of the torch, which is quite nice and looks pretty good. Nice quality. I've got to say straight away, German made. Oh yes. So if their head torches are anything like their cars, then this is going to be a pretty good product. Let's take this out then. Right, so everything is packed away quite nicely in this box. We have got one other thing in here, which is the 7-year warranty. So we'll put that to one side. What do we get inside? Okay, we've got a rubber band. There we go. Right then, so this band is to go around a hard hat so this doesn't slip off, and we'll take a look at that in a moment. What's this? Don't eat that. Some more instructions. So yeah, we've got a nice big instruction leaflet there, and product disposal instructions and more instructions. Now this is a rechargeable unit, which is really cool, and you've got the battery pack which is attached to the strap, and that's obviously on the back of the head there, and then the cable goes round to the front to the actual lamp. And then the lead is a USB lead, you can see there. So to recharge it, you've got the USB there, and what I really like about this, it has a magnetic charging point, so you can literally just, look at that, didn't even try, so you just literally let that connect on there, stick that in your USB, and then we're ready to go. So we can charge it off any USB plug, so that literally just goes on there. It's quite secure, and we turn that on and then you can see the battery indicator. We've got protective covers on the battery pack, you can see there, so that's got a protective cover on it, so I guess that would absorb any impact. There is also a protective cover over the lens, which is really nice as well, so that makes it, again, enables it to absorb some shock if that gets dropped or knocked. So overall, a tidy looking unit, really. I do like that, that's really nice. And if we look closer at the lamp itself, you can actually rotate it, so that's going to be upwards, so you can rotate it up to, I guess, 0 or 90 degrees, and then that's going to be looking straight ahead, and that's probably not quite 90 degrees downwards, but overall you have got, I would probably say, I don't know, 150 degrees, something like that, of movement. 150, 160. So that's really nice. And I guess that saves you having to tilt your head up and down if you want to change the position of the light. On the side then is your on-off switch. So if we press that, and well, that is quite bright. This hasn't been charged yet. This is just come straight out the box. But what we can do with this dial is actually turn the brightness down. So that's actually gone all the way down now, and as I'm turning it down, you can see that it flashes. I guess that's to indicate that it won't go any lower. Also, we can turn the brightness up by turning, and then again once it flashes, that's telling you that's on the maximum beam. And then the other thing we've got is the magnifier on the lens itself, so we can make it either a large or small beam of light. And I do have a torch similar to this that's got a similar function, and this is really great when you put it on this kind of wide lens because it does light up a lot of the area, but then when you put it on this small lens it really does shine far. While we're talking about the actual torch itself, I really want to test it out, but it is daytime still, so hang on a minute. Hey, there we go, and it's all dark. So let's put this torch on and check it out. So what I'm going to do is stand behind the camera, probably be the best idea, and although I'm not really going to be able to test the distance of it in the garage here, you can certainly see how we can adjust the lens so we can make it narrow, longer, wider and shorter, and that really is quite bright. So we can turn it right down to the lowest setting, and as you'd probably imagine, the further away you stand from the object, the narrower and wider the lens of the light. There you go, fantastic. That really does pack a punch. That's a pretty powerful little torch. Now if you do want to wear it on your hard hat, you do need to take this strap off. So that straps off, and the same thing with this strap. Just need to adjust it. I need to make this a bit bigger. We'll just put that on there, that on there. Once you've got the hang of getting this on, it's actually quite quick. You can actually slide the battery and the lamp off these brackets, which is quite nice. That would probably make it a bit easier and quicker. And we'll just clip the cable on. There we go. So we've now got the head torch on the helmet band, and then all we would do here is pop that over the top of the helmet. That strap really is gripping to that helmet. As you can see, that's not coming off, and these clips that you're supplied with, once you've got those on the band like so, they're a little bit tricky, but once you've got those on there, they can just clip over your helmet to actually stop it coming up and off. So that's really cool. But even just with that band itself, that is really quite grippy. So yeah, let's get to work. Check it out. That's a bit bright, isn't it? There we go. Let's turn that down. Fantastic. Oh yes, I feel like a miner. Like a coal miner, that is. I tend not to wear a hard hat all that much. I don't really work on a construction site, although sometimes when I'm working it can feel that way. But anyway, so the bracket that holds the light and the battery, you can actually turn that round. Not quite sure why you'll do that, but hey, it's all good. And I've just noticed on this part of the tightening buckle mechanism, you've almost got like this little carabiner, which is quite cool. Maybe you need to hang something off your head torch. You never know. Well, we've looked at the unit itself, we've looked at the torch, we've given that a go, and I guess what we'll do now, let's just take a look at those all-important specifications. This is model H5R WORK. Now it does have a 7-year warranty, but I think you need to complete the warranty card to actually get the 7 years. Otherwise it's just 2 years. It is rechargeable, as we've already established. This is IP class 67, And that means it's splash proof, dust proof, and you can submerge it in water up to 1 metre deep for 30 minutes. It has an advanced focus system which we've already looked at. It's 500 lumens and it will project a beam over 200 metres. I'm going to put that there so you can pause your video and check out all the data. This really is a great little torch, and although it is little, it's mighty powerful. Great for trade and industry, but also just for keeping at home, because you never know when the lights are going to go out. If you want to get your hands on one of these headlamps, then just follow the link in the description box below. And when you're checking out, don't forget to enter discount code JBSAVE10. Oh yes, you're going to get 10% off your order. Now that can't be bad, can it? Well, I think I'm just about done now, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video and our little look at the older LEDLENSER headlamp. Smashing. I'm out of here. See you on the next video.